Hello guys, and welcome to the channel. On this video I'm going to show you guys how to increase your FPS on Windows. Here I'm using Windows 10, so for you who use Windows 11 it's supposed to be similar method. So first thing to do, you just open your settings, and then you find on here, just type in game. You can click game mode settings. Make sure you turn it on. Game mode is on. After that you go to search for game bar, and then here you can click game bar controller settings, and then make sure you turn on this one. So basically it will be boost your gaming experience. So it's supposed to be you can get more FPS. And then the last thing you have to do, if you are using Nvidia, which is I think everybody does, you just open the Nvidia Control Panel and then adjust image settings with preview. Here you can move this bar into the quality, which means, as you can see, this is the video sample. The performance, it's still like not so smooth. If I use quality, it's very smooth, since it use the maximum FPS you could get. And then click apply, and then you're good to go. You can play your game or anything and get the maximum FPS of your PC. So that's it guys, that's it, this tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it does, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.